A dominant subject. Having a dominant subject in your piece will lead your viewer to the area that they're placed in. So here are some ways that you can draw attention to your subject in your composition if you want them to be the dominant subject in your piece. Number one is framing. We've talked about this before, but framing will lead your viewer to your dominant subject, even if it's in the distance or out of focus or small in scale. Enlarging your subject is a great way to draw attention to them. Action. Whether it's your subject creating the action or there's action surrounding your subject, creating some kind of movement, motion, or action is a great way to highlight your dominant subject. Focus. So objects that are in focus, detailed, higher in contrast, warmer, brighter in color. This will all draw the eye to the dominant subject in your piece. Silhouette. A silhouette is the dark shape and outline of an object or a subject against the contrast of a brighter or lighter background. Silhouettes are an easy way to add mystery, anonymity, or they may even lead the viewer's eye directly towards an element you want to be emphasized, or they could be used as like blocking elements. Maybe you want to block out a space, and this will in turn allow more room for other important aspects of your storytelling within your piece. Gaze following and turning away. So I'm not sure if this is actually a principle of composition, but I think about it a lot within my own work. But humans gaze follow. And what I mean by that is when you watch a person look in a specific direction, you will follow the line of their gaze to see what they're looking at. And I found this quote, gaze following is important for developmental theory because it can be seen as a front-end ability that contributes to understanding what another person is thinking, feeling, and intending to do. So yeah, I think it does apply to art because in your artwork, you can use this technique to lead your viewer down the line of your subject's gaze. And equally true, when your subject is turned away from the picture plane or your viewer, so to speak, your viewer will still want to see where the line of their gaze leads to. So you can really use that to play with ideas in your piece.